Westminster Abbey.
Okay.
Where is the Elizabeth Abbey here?
Okay. Queen Elizabeth.
And this also is Queen's Elizabeth Center also is. I don't know, you can get in or not, but it's nice.
Do you know where they have kept the Kohinoor? In the museum, right? Somewhere.
Yeah, Kohinoor in India.
Yeah, it's from India, but now it's in the possession of UK government, and we cannot even ask it back.
No, leave it here, it's better.
It's from the Akbar's court. Alright guys, so we are here at the Buckingham Palace. We are going inside, but तुम लोगों को एक चीज़ दिखानी है. यहाँ पे रिक्शा भी चलती है भाई. वो देखो. ऐसा ही नहीं है कि ब्रिटिशर्स से हमने सब कुछ सीखा, उन्होंने हमसे भी कुछ सीखा है. रिक्शा ये देखो, क्रेजी है भाई. We are here at the Buckingham Palace. I think I should buy a mic, you know, to clear my voice in my vlogs.
Yeah. A mini mic. I know the store near Apple Store.
Okay.
Just only £50.
For a mic?
Yeah.
Well, that's cheap. I can get that. All right, Hui. Are you ready to take some good photos?
But we need to take photo quickly and save battery for another place.
Yeah,
I only have 49.
All right, guys. So we are here at the Buckingham Palace where King, the current Charles, lived. The current king of UK, a living king. You cannot see him. Actually, we cannot see him. Okay, because he's inside with his family, maybe attending some matters. So let's walk, and I will tell you some facts about the Buckingham Palace.
Oh,
okay?
oh, the guys got in
Yeah,
here.
see the royal guards.
The god.
Let's take a closer look. Let's walk. Keep walking.
Oh, it look like a story.
You know, it's looked like a fairy tale. You know, fairy tale. You know, these are the flags of the Great Britain. All of this was once covered with horse crap because they used to horse and all of this is mud. Now look at this. Here we are, guys. Here we are at the Buckingham Palace. So this is Buckingham Palace. You can see it is made of 700 rooms, more than 700 rooms, 4 floors. And this is where the king lives. And the previous kings and queens have lived. It is amazing. You can see the flag over there. That's the flag of Great Britain.
Yeah.
This flag ruled the world. It is a saying. It is said that in the British Empire there was a time when the suns never set because the empire is so big, was so big, it is always under the sun. From the northern hemisphere to the southern hemisphere, everywhere the British rule was there. And as we all know, in 1947 India got independence from British rule. So we just now were coming in the St. James Park. We have a statue of Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, and Winston Churchill. Winston Churchill was the then Prime Minister of UK during the First World War and during the Indian independence as well. This is absolute beauty and history. History is beautiful, guys. Now let's take pictures. मुझे ये सब कैसे पता है? क्योंकि मैंने द क्राउन देखा है नेटफ्लिक्स पे। अगर तुम्हें भी ब्रिटिश मोनार्की के बारे में हिस्ट्री जाननी है तो गो वॉच द क्राउन ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। और ये पेड प्रमोशन नहीं था, बस ऐसे ही तुम्हें सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ। अच्छी चीज़ें देखा करो, इन्फॉर्मेशन बढ़ेगी। इतना बेगैरत इंसान है ये, इतनी देर से आधनंगा होके मुझे ही देखे जा रहा है। क्या देख रहा भाई? एक तो भाई है कि बहन, समझ में नहीं आ रहा। भाई कपड़े वपड़े पहन लो, थोड़े ठंड वंड लग जाएगी। ओ भाई वो एंजलिक स्टैचू है वो ऊपर। भाई पता है यहाँ लिखा है वो प्योर गोल्ड का है भाई। सोच रहा हूँ उसके क्लॉक का एक टुकड़ा तोड़ के ना काम हो जाए भाई। और अंदर तो किंग चार्ल्स इज इनसाइड, राइट? कैन ही आस्क फॉर 1 million pounds लोन? कैन ही गिव अस लोन ऑफ 1 million pounds?
I think he can.
Yeah, he is the king, he can do anything. So what should I do? Should I take off my jacket and wave, King Charles, I need loan, I need money, I need help?
I need fucking 1 million. Yeah, million. We can finish fund and we will come back India. We can start a company.
If we have 1 million pounds, bro, I can buy almost 20% of Reliance share back in India. So I'll be a 20% owner of the Jio group if we have 1 million pounds. But I don't think the king will give us. What do you think?
The king create the money.
He is the monarch, man. He can have as much money as he wants. He's from a rich family, basically. You know, he doesn't know what is to be like from the middle class family. Wait, tell us, where are we going next? So we got the map of all the attractions in London.
No, now we are Buckingham Palace. So next we go to famous statue. They have Winston statue.
Okay.
Gandhi statue.
Gandhi?
Yeah.
It's not Gandhi, it's Gandhi.
Gandhi.
Yeah.
Mandela statue too.
Okay.
And we finish that. We walk from here.
Okay,
go
here?
to here.
From here. Here.
Here.
Everywhere.
Here. And we come back.
We
here at
go
night.
to this, the
No, we
the
have
Gherkin?
to. Yeah, we have to go here first.
Okay, Tower Bridge and the Tower Castle. Tower of
Castle.
London and Tower Bridge.
And then we go here.
The Gherkin.
And then when we come back here.
Yeah, this is the Sherrard.
Yeah.
So we are here at the Buckingham Palace. This is the Buckingham Palace. So here we are. We have to go all the way here. We cannot walk. We have to take a tube again.
Yeah.
So are you up for it?
Yeah.
You want to go to St. James Park? Let's cover St. James Park and then
James
from.
Park in here.
No, I think it's there. It's there. What do you say?
Go here.
Yeah, we have.
The width flat.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys. So as you can see, we have covered the Buckingham Palace. We are here. Now we are going to St. James Park, and from the park we go to the Downing Street or maybe here. What is happening? Okay. So we go to Charing Cross Tube Station. From there we go to. What is this? I'm vlogging. Be serious about it. Okay. Then we go to Blackfriars and we get down there on the Queen Victoria Street. Okay. Then we go straight to Tower Bridge. So let's cover Tower Bridge. Okay. And we cannot go here. I want to, but we cannot. The Marble Arch.
Too far.
It's too far, and you know we don't have that kind of money on us. So Uber is very expensive, guys, in London. Try Bolt. Bolt is expensive than Uber. it's even expensive. So more expensive. Fuck it. So what should we do? I think we should just sit and relax. But we will go to this
Tower Bridge.
Tower Bridge.
The famous thing, the most first thing here.
The first famous thing, the Tower Bridge. Okay. So let's go to Tower Bridge, guys. Let's go. Enough planning. Let's do something. Alright guys, so after visiting Buckingham Palace, we are moving towards the St. James Park. I don't know why, but there are flags of Qatar and Great Britain over here. There must be some kind of delegation coming from Qatar. Oh, police is here! I didn't do anything. Oh, they're not here for me. Okay. Basically, eating McDonald's in front of Buckingham Palace is not a crime. So, they're not here for me. Okay, let's go. So, we're gonna move straight down this road. Looks like King's Road. राजपथ लग रहा है इंडिया गेट से पार्लियामेंट तक का. बाय द वे इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी यूके के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को देख के ड्राफ्ट करा गया था। ये चेक करो गाइस। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। UK is beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Going to the St. James Park now, and this is information about changing the cards. एक और बड़ी अट्रैक्शन होती है द रॉयल गार्ड्स, ठीक है। और बकिंगम पैलेस पे इतनी भीड़ थी कि हमें रॉयल गार्ड्स तो वहाँ दिखना मुश्किल थे, ठीक है। तो अभी हम क्लेरेंस हाउस पे आए हैं। फिर अगेन जिसने भी क्राउन देखा है उसे पता है क्लेरेंस हाउस क्या है। मैं हिस्ट्री नहीं दूंगा, बैक हिस्ट्री बिल्कुल नहीं दूंगा क्योंकि वो उसमें बोरिंग हो जाता है। But let me show you the royal guards. I'm in a sink. We cannot go further than this chain. We're here at the St. James Park, and who has to say something about it?
I think this park look like a small zoo. They have a little dog, a duck, bird, a lot of them. I don't know what.
Yeah, we saw one turkey duck who went to a girl, not to us.
It's like a small zoo. in the
Yeah,
park.
it's beautiful, right? So beautiful. This is the St. James Park, guys. You see, that's the London Eye. Look at this view, guys. ये check करो, guys. Check करो. Queen Elizabeth in her prime used to spend time here in this park. Charles, King Charles, sometimes come down with the guards. It's beautiful. Let's walk on the road. कभी जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि मतलब सोचा क्या था, सपने देखे थे कि इस जगह खड़े होंगे जहाँ आज खड़े हैं। अल्लाह ने लाके खड़ा करा है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। Never stop believing, guys. Believe in yourself.
Yeah, that's an example for a real card.
Because when you decide to follow your dreams, there is no going back.
You must,
You can change the plan, but you cannot change the goal.
You must
If
take
your-
risk.
Yeah. If your goal is to live your dream, the price of sacrifice will be big. But in the end, it's all worth it. This day, it's worth it. I have a lot of tensions. I have a lot of things to take care of. But today, this day, I'm not going to think about them. I'm just going to live my dream. That's it. We have tomorrow for everything. Today, I'm going to enjoy the moment that Allah has given me. Alhamdulillah. So now, there is a St. James Cafe as well.
Can walk me for 2 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Room here.
It's Churchill War Room here, 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to go to the cafe or the Churchill War Room?
I want to go to Churchill War Room.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Hi, buddy. So St James Park से निकल के now we are going to Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge, London. Okay. बहुत थक गए हैं. We're tired, but it was worth it. Every step that I walked today, it was worth it and beautiful. I think we should go that way. This is the Winston Churchill War Room.
The second war is happened. I think it's here.
Second World War happened. All the planning he did was here. This was his war room, and he was the then Prime Minister of United Kingdom. This is the St James Park. We just came out of it. You can see different countries' flag over here. You can comment down how many countries do you recognize by the flags. Now we are going to show you the statues of different globally recognized people from all around the world. And guess who's there already? Mahatma Gandhi from India. He got a statue over there. Nelson Mandela. And a statue of Winston Churchill as well. Yeah, that's the Churchill War Room. You have to buy a ticket to that.
You don't want to go?
We don't have time. We need to go to Tower Bridge. So next time when we come,
Sure.
we will go for museums and war rooms.
Yeah. Next time.
Yeah.
Maybe in the new year.
Yeah. No, not in New Year. New Year, I'm gonna come and stand on River Thames, wait for the fireworks. I have to do the counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, fireworks. Look at this beautiful arrangements. What is this? It looked like a hobbit house, right? Maybe it's a nursery. Do you recognize this one?
Seriously, I don't know.
This one is of Jamaica.
This white flag maybe Kosovo Island.
This one?
Yeah.
Kosovo.
This white one.
Yeah,
Kosovo
Kosovo.
Island.
Kosovo Islands.
Nigeria, Malaysia, Ghana,
Yeah,
Sri Lanka,
that's Canada.
Pakistan,
Pakistan, Sri Lanka.
Bangladesh, Australia.
We're gonna see my country flag as well. India. That's North Korea?
Chile.
Chile. Chill.
I think I'm ambassador in here.
Yeah, all the ambassadors must be here. Can you record me walking? Followed you.
1, 2, 3.
This is my flag. Tricolor. This is the Westminster Abbey. किस तोपों में से एक तोप मिल गई, इसकी सलामी कर लेते हैं.
How can they move that?
With horses, I think. This is a cannon. This is a Turkish gun made by Murad, son of Abdullah, chief gunner in 1524, taken in Egypt by the British Army 1801. The gun is, what is it? So basically it's not the British, it's a Turkish gun made by Murad, son of Abdullah, chief gunner in 1524, taken in Egypt. So this was captured in Egypt during the War of Egypt. They captured it and brought it to UK. Guys, we are at the Trafalgar Square. Finally, we have to walk a lot to reach here. There's some kind of parade happening. Let's see what's happening. This is the famous Trafalgar Square. We should not go there. Show the pillar, show the pillar. सो ट्रफैगल स्क्वायर देख लिया है हम लोगों ने, आपने भी वीडियो में देखा है। उसके बाद हमें जाना है टावर ब्रिज, लेकिन अगर हम पैदल जाते हैं तो यहाँ से 1 घंटे की वॉक है टावर ब्रिज की, विच इज़ नॉट feasible right now. I'm really tired. I got a heavy bag on my back. So basically we are gonna use the underground again. Okay, we are here at the Charing Cross. We're gonna take the yellow line,
Go to tower.
which is the circle line. It's not yellow line, it's yellow, but it's called circle line, to Tower Hill. So you get down at Tower Hill and you will be in front of the Tower Bridge, London. Okay, so we are going there. This is the National Art Gallery. This was made back in 1824 and it's been 200 years this year, 2024. This is still standing and well maintained. All of the art, the famous art is kept inside this museum, the National Art Gallery.